Now, more than a week after the fatal shooting of 17-year-old Nicole Moulton at her home in Trenchtown, St. Andrew, caused public outrage, investigators are still struggling to get information regarding the case. TVJ's Janella Pursues reports on that issue and the wider question of witnesses.
Special zones, improved legislation, increased resources for the police, a more efficient court system, all in an effort to reduce the spiraling crime rate. But there's a challenge that continues to haunt the police, an unwillingness by witnesses to report crime. This issue was again highlighted Monday when the police updated TVJ News on the status of the investigation into the murder of 17-year-old Nicole Moulton.
We have not been getting anyone to commit to a statement. We have not been getting the information as we would like to get.
A week earlier, scores of residents from where the incident took place protested allegations that men in the community had killed the teen because she refused them sexual favors. At the time, Commissioner of Police George Coelho appeared hopeful.
And they speak openly on camera. It tells you that they are not afraid to pass on whatever information that there is.
But with no witnesses coming forward, questions are now being raised about whether justice will ever prevail in this matter, which brings us to another matter. This man can't show his face on camera because he says he's wanted by members of a notorious gang in Lioneltown, Clarendon. He says he was among a group of people shot at a bar recently.
Me reported to the police them and then take a statement and lock them up and then get bail now. The two person get bail in Lioneltown right now. So me and them down there. Say that's why some shooting are going from one day down there. Because you can't catch me if you shoot me, but you can catch my friend or my family close to me. So me is the problem to them. Because the person who me come a court as second in command for the Gaza gang crew.
He's, however, been denied entry into the Witness Protection Program because of a previous offense committed while he was on the program back in 2010. But with threats against his life, he's desperately seeking a way back in.
Because I don't know if you turn right now or if you go right now. You see what I'm not free to go, I'm free and come out, I'm free and scared and everything now here.
And it's because of situations like these, some people we spoke to felt that reporting a crime is high risk.
You might report it now, and by later, think that your family dead off. So better just stay and blind here and there.
Depends on the crime. Why? I don't want nobody come kill me.
No, sir, I'm not responsible to that.
You will report it?
No, sir.
Why?
But I'm not responsible to people and anything.
When you're gone, that's all you hear, that she's a gone, she's a hard-working person. You're not worth it.
The police, however, have shot back, saying that there are several avenues witnesses can use to report a crime, including Emergency 119 and Crime Stop 311. Janella Pursues, TVJ News.